And what we have here is a through the belly return air system. You can see here on the outside edges of the homes, usually where these return airs are. The belly material itself is the duct. So when it came out of the factory, that's probably great, but as soon as the cats and then we get tears in the belly, then that means that the return air is compromised, and the furnace blower will be sucking air from underneath the house, along bringing contaminants into the house, and it creates large pressure imbalances. So what we're going to need to do on this house, the trunk line comes down the middle. We need to seal up, do our duct sealing on the deliveries. We need to permanently, semi-permanently seal these off, block them off, screw them down so that they can't be used. Around the furnace area, there's our deliveries. In our furnace area, you'll notice that the furnace is gone here. It was sitting here, and this is where the return air used to come. Very nasty, you know, bringing your air across all that nasty fiberglass. The mouse droppings down in there. So out of the factory, it may have been a great deal, but here at
Cookie for you.
After the belly gets compromised, it's a whole new ballgame. So we're going to seal all these off, seal all the return registers on the sides off, and install a door and have a large enough grill to accommodate our return air for our new furnace.
Okay.
Okay.
And we'll just seal everything up real good.
Back up and anchor them to the wood, and then this part over here that's so rotted away, we might have to put some sheet metal on there. Maybe we can get it with mesh tape and mastic. Well, first we'll get it pulled up as far as we can and anchored. I like to use the panel nails, just because they got the annular rings and they're kind of a ring shank nail, and they come in 1s and 1 5/8, and they're easy enough to get in there and tack up. So we'll get it here. Chuck's gonna hold it. Okay, and then I got it. If you don't do the air sealing up here at the top of the duct, when you do your pressure pan reading, it's going to be testing some of the belly, the tightness of the belly, so it's important to get it sealed up here at the top. We're going to get this back up in there, fix this, and then of course mastic the connection down below. We'll do this to each of the registers, and then we'll retest it and try to get below 1 Pascal.